How to choose your cloud provider, AWS, Google, or Microsoft. So to me, this is an interesting one, and I will be honest, we're not best to answer this because we don't do a lot on the Google Cloud. But although Google Cloud is becoming very popular very quickly, a lot of people that are using Google Cloud is more at sort of an app dev level and large scale sort of application infrastructure. If you was building a business and you was having to serve sort of millions of customers worldwide in a certain platform you was building, I think Google's quite important or quite attractive for that, because it can be quite cheaper, and they are building smart tech around some of their core technologies, things like TensorFlow in terms of machine learning and all of this good stuff. But to me, common infrastructure technology for 90% of the masses, it's still the race between Azure and Amazon, and I think it's quite easy to be able to segment them in the two. Azure is very good and is going to be, to me, 15 or 20% more expensive than Amazon, but because of its Microsoft already compatibility, they're bringing things out like Compliance Center, which and things that are replacing sort of WSUS and update and patch management and all of this good stuff. So being Microsoft centric, Azure is definitely playing to the strengths, shall we say, of Microsoft. But I think it is a common misconception that people actually think that if you're an Office 365 or you're a Microsoft shop, then you need to be Azure. That's actually not the case. So you can get just as good functionality within Amazon for Microsoft products as you can within Azure. So the reason why to me you would choose Amazon, it is still better for me for large scale sort of app development, app dev type infrastructure, scaling infrastructure and all of this good stuff. But to me, the way the disks are snapshotted into S3, every single piece of EBS storage within Amazon, it has a snapshot capability which is very easy to use. This snapshot capability snapshots to S3, which is data center independent. Within an Amazon region, say Ireland, you'll get 3 different availability zones, which are completely different separate data centers. Within Microsoft, you don't have this capability or this concept of availability zones within a region. You just get the region. So to me, Amazon's still the clear winner on price and in the way that it manages its disaster recovery and its storage, but Microsoft Azure is becoming a very close contender on a daily to weekly basis, and the amount of product launches we're seeing in Azure is scary, to be fair, in terms of things that Microsoft are bringing out for the Azure platform.